suckers. Oh, that was a little extreme, wasn't it? And I said nothing, literally nothing. Southern Ireland, that's all I said. Might as well have been Northern Ireland. It's all a part of the UK anyway. Feckers. Can't say anything these days. It's all conform, conform, conform. Well, fuck you, George. How's that? Fuck you and your chavvy blacky boyfriend from the Gambia. The what? The what? Cambridge Pratt. Shit idea if ever I saw one. Oh, Rajasthan here is from the Gambia, I tell you. The Gambia, you say? Oh yes, the Gambia. Think you're right, posh. Sorry, smart. Calling me a racist. Oh, that bloody Korean smelling of poppadoms calling me a dummy. Well, you're the dummy, Hoo-min. You're the dummy forever thinking they grant you indefinite leave to remain when you've been in this country for 5 fat years and can't even string a bloody sentence together. And that's me putting it mild. Bloody hell. Is that the worst they can do? Toss a puzzle box over my head. Let's all poke a finger at the white guy. What? Am I supposed to keep my mouth shut because I feel a certain way? Well, I won't. And don't. Hate them. Hate them all. Bloody Asians, Muslims, blacks, Jews, Cambridge Pratts. Oh, and don't get me started on the gays. How many bloody genders can you get? And why do they always pick on me?